Friday.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius back at it again with another video. Now, quick little intro, then I'm gonna get to the meat of the video. It's a short video. I wasn't expecting to record because we had to do the heater core on Lauren's car. I did not think anything interesting was happening, so I did not take my camera. But luckily, I had your boys get a old no date. So that's what happened. We're doing a heater core. We thought we could do a shortcut. We got about everything. We got everything we could off, and we thought we could drop the cabin filter and the compressor and all that and the blower. Turns out we couldn't. So this is what we did. Instead of taking out the whole entire dash. Plus you get to meet the mad scientist behind it all, Austin. He's a good friend of mine. Well, let's be honest, he's our mechanic. We use him pretty much for everything. We have a good old time. We've been friends for years. Love the boy to death. So, enjoy today's video, and I'm going to catch y'all next time. Peace.
Alright, so if you need a heater core replacement, just do this shit.
What? What the fuck?
Like, we cut out the cabin filter. Well, the cabin filter wasn't in there, so he trimmed some of that. Put a towel there for right now, and this is where the heater core is just chilling. And we now have heat. I mean, that's...
Since there is no more AC, no cabin filter, the fan's still going to blow the hot air through the ducts where the AC is supposed to go. So there's no point in having AC because there's nothing going to be cold in that area. So now you have heat. So you ain't got to take the whole dash out to replace the heater core. 2 4-foot pieces of heater hose run back through the firewall where the wiring harness is. The bracing holds it back in, put the glove box back, and you're good to go.
I mean, and it's working though. It really is. Yeah. So hey, whatever works. There's literally, she has no AC at all.
I've never had AC.
Ever since she's had the car, she's had no AC. So there's no need in anything. I ain't gonna get you. I don't think they can hear you.
The compressor, but the condenser is sitting in my living room floor.
Oh yeah, that's right. Her condenser literally is sitting in her living room floor.
Yeah.
So everything's somewhere for the heat, for the AC, but there's kind of
Well, the compressor's
no
through
AC.
water, so it doesn't work anymore.
Yeah, the compressor didn't it get rained on?
No, it's never had the line hooked up. Like when we got the car, it had the compressor and the condenser, but it didn't have the lines that connect to both of them.
Okay, so it had everything but the line.
It had everything but the lines. There's a line that comes up through the firewall and connects to the condenser, and there's a line that comes from the condenser to the compressor and hooks everything together so that it runs, but it's never had both of those. It's got the one that comes from the firewall, but that's the thing that's sticking up.
Yeah, I mean it's got everything but no lines.
It's got everything to hook it up. I just needed the lines, and the previous owner, no name shall be mentioned, could not find the lines, claimed he threw them away.
Okay, so hold on, I'm gonna actually introduce y'all to the mad scientist behind this whole shit. So hold on. That is the mad scientist behind this whole project right there. Like,
Hey, you do what you got to do. You save money, you ain't got to pull a dash out. It is what it is. Mexico, baby.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow.